Hi everyone, today I'm quickly going to talk about what is rhetoric, its importance, and the factors of rhetoric. It's all about analyzing the situations you find yourself in and then craft effective response and strategies out of it. For example, you have to give a project presentation to high profile clients. Now, what are the things that you will think upon? The first is how you will deliver your speech, that is the style, the timings. You will keep it under 15 minutes because you will only going to cover the main concerns or the main key points of your project. You will also think on the audience expectations, the client's expectations. You will think upon that you will not give it too formally or too informally, about the location, about the area, the timings, that when you are going to give that speech, if it's 9:30 in the morning or later than that or early than that. So all these factors are part of rhetorical situations. So now just let's talk about the factors of rhetoric. The first factor is topic, which includes what you are going to speak on and how does it impact your audience mindset. The second factor is setting, when you are going to deliver that speech, where it is and how does it impact you. The third factor is audience. What does audience already know and what are their concerns and questions from you and how you are going to respond to them. The fourth factor is occasion. It's obviously the purpose of your speech. Why are you going to deliver your speech? What is the occasion? And what does your audience expect from you while listening to the project presentation? And the last factor is speaker's credibility. What does the audience already know about you and how you will able to perform your expertise in the speech itself. Public speaking is an intellectual and physical skill just like sports. For instance, we can think of a great cricket player. He is good in bowling, batting, fielding, wicket keeping. He is great not just because of a single skill, but because of a whole bunch of skills that he developed over a period of time. He gained that experience through his practice and skills. He knows that what to do and when to do through his strong sense of judgment. In the same way, speaking is not only about good delivery. It's about having the ability to judge rhetorical situation and then perform it well. I hope you will get the meaning of rhetoric, its factors, and why it is important. Thank you so much for watching. You can also watch my latest video on 5 canons of rhetoric, which will help you in writing the amazing speeches.